Hey, what's up there, YouTube? This is David with the Black Techies, and today we're going to continue our journey through Nest as we unbox and set up the Nest Secure. Now, if you remember my previous video, I unboxed the Nest Thermostat E. And so I kind of wanted to stick with the Nest family of products because I could use one app to control everything, my thermostat, my security system, my lights, everything. Now, if you're wondering, this kind of system isn't like a traditional security system like ADT where they would come and wire your house up and all of that. Well, I'm a renter, and so I'm not allowed to just change the wiring all willy-nilly. So this is a great product for those who are renting or for those who just don't feel like wiring their house up with security products. Now, there are other systems out there like this. One is called SimpliSafe. And so for me, it was between SimpliSafe and Nest. But like I said before, I kind of wanted one app that could control my whole house. And so I'm sticking with Nest. So we're gonna do an unboxing and setup, and then that'll be it. All right, so let's go. Unboxing the Nest Secure, we see that the very first thing in the box is the Nest Guard. Now the Nest Guard is basically the brains of the entire system. It includes its own motion sensor, which is located in the Nest logo, and a battery backup if the power goes out. It also has an available cellular backup if the Wi-Fi goes down. There's also a numeric keypad that only lights up when it's actually used. Next is the power adapter and cable for the Nest Guard. One neat feature is that the Nest Guard is able to detect if it's being tampered with and sound the alarm. There's also a security adapter for the plug itself that you can attach to the wall to make it harder for intruders to unplug the Nest Guard. Of course, there is the requisite user guide, which basically goes through each aspect of the Nest Secure system from a description of each component and important features, as well as guides to where to place each sensor depending on your preferences. This will help you figure out how to configure your setup to fit your security needs as well as the particular design of your home. Finally, we have the Nest Detect sensors, as well as the Nest tags. The Nest Detect sensors can be used either as a door and window sensor, as well as standalone motion detection. The Nest tags allow you to arm and disarm the entire system simply by tapping it on the keypad of the Nest Guard. Setting up the Nest Secure is pretty simple. All you have to do is use the Nest app to scan the barcode on each of the components. This will register the devices to your Nest account and allow you to control the entire security system from the Nest app. After you've placed the Nest Detect on the doors or anywhere else you want to place it, you can test it out by opening and closing the door. The Nest Guard will also tell you if the door is open.
The front door is open. The alarm is off.
Now, of course, the benefit of a smart security system is being able to manage it all from the Nest app. From there, you can see the status of each component and change the security level. The first level simply disables the system. Home and guarding detects if the windows or doors are open. This is basically when you're at home and you want security or you're sleeping. Away and guarding is the highest security level and sounds the alarm if the doors and windows are open or if motion is detected.
There was motion in the living room.
For those who do want professional security services, Nest partnered with Moni Smart Security to provide 24/7 monitoring for about $19 a month if you sign a 3-year contract, or $29 a month if you opt for month to month. Okay, that's been our unboxing setup of the Nest Secure. Now, if you're interested in all our other content, please make sure you visit our website at theblacktechies.com. Also, you can hit up our Facebook page at facebook.com/theblacktechies. And third, of course there's a third, we have a podcast. If you search your favorite podcast app, you'll find us. Just search for The Black Techies and we'll come up. So make sure you 1, subscribe to the podcast, and 2, go ahead and click that subscribe button down here on YouTube and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. I got a lot of stuff coming, and so I want you to be the first to see it. Alright, so until next time, like if you like, sub if you love. Peace.